Good morning, students. I hope you all are following all the classes and you all are for reading line to line explanation as well. Okay. So we were in Act 1, Scene 2. I think today we can complete this scene. So we the last day we read up to line number 408, where Ferdinand he first saw Miranda, and what happened next that we are going to learn today. So let us start from line number 411. 49, sorry, we were up to 408, so today we will start from 409. So when Prospero saw that Ferdinand was there and everything was happening, everything was taking place according to his own plan. Okay, he sent Ariel for certain task, and Ariel brought Ferdinand, and everything happened as per his wish. So when he found Ferdinand beholding Miranda, he told Miranda, "The fringed curtain of thine eye advance, and see what thou seest yon." He says, "You please lift your eyelids and tell me what you see in front of you. In front of you, what means you need to open your eyes and you need to see what you are beholding there." Now Miranda says, "What is it? A spirit?" Now see, Miranda has never, when she was she was a little girl, that time she came here on this island, and she has not seen anyone except her father and Caliban. So and Ariel also, but Ariel is a spirit, as I told. So half human and half monster type look is having, Caliban is having such look. So he is forming various forms. So human being, she has seen only her father and Caliban, if we consider, though it's not having proper human shape. So for the first time, apart from them, she finds a new one. That's why she cannot understand, and she addresses it as a spirit, and she says, "Lord, how it looks about. Believe me, sir, it carries a brave form, but it's a spirit." Brave form means, in the sense, handsome. I can't believe my eyes, as I'm seeing a person quite handsome, but I think it's a spirit. Prospero says, "No, wench." Wench means girl. "It eats and sleeps and hath such senses as we have such." So now Prospero says, "No, it is a human being, and it also eats and sleeps the way we do. So it's not a spirit. This gallant which thou seest was in the wreck." Gallant means fine gentleman. This fine gentleman or handsome person whom you can see is a victim of the shipwreck, and but he is something stained with grief, that's beauty's canker. Thou mightest call him a goodly person. You could have called him an attractive person if he was not overpowered with grief. Okay, grief is considered as that beauty's canker. He has gone through some terrible experience. That's why he that grief has taken place on his facial expression, and that's why you cannot call him an attractive but handsome. He hath lost his fellows and strays about to find them. Now he has lost all his companions, and now he is straying about, means he is searching around to find them. Now Miranda says, "I might call him a thing divine, for nothing natural I ever saw so noble. I can think him as a heavenly creature, because in my life I have never seen someone means like him. I have never seen anyone." Prospero aside. Aside means to his own self. He says, "It goes on, I see." Means it goes on means my plan is working. Okay, whatever I have planned, it is in good progress, as my soul prompts it, as I feel so. Now to Ariel he says, Spirit, fine spirit, I will free thee within 2 days for this. You have done a very good job, and for the reason this reason I'm going to set you free within 2 days. Ferdinand says, Most sure the goddess on whom these airs attend. I feel you are the goddess, and the music, the sound I had heard, all was around you. It was for you. Worship my prayer, grant my prayer. May know if you remain upon this island, and that you will some good instructions give how I may bear me here. Uh, Grant my prayer by informing whether you stay here on this island or not, and tell me how should I behave in front of you. My prime request, which I do last pronounce, is, oh, you wonder if you be maid or no, and I want to know whether you are a maiden, a girl or not. Miranda says, no wonder, sir, be certainly a maid. Ferdinand says, my language, heavens, means you are speaking out with the same native language that I use. I am the best of them that speak this speech where it's spoken. If I compare myself with the persons where means this language is said, so I will be considered the best of them among them. Prospero says, how the best? What wert thou if the king of Naples heard thee? Whatever you are saying, that you are the best speaker among all of them, have you ever thought if the king of Naples ever hear you to speak in such a way? Ferdinand says, a single thing as I am now that wonders to hear thee speak of Naples. It's quite surprising you are talking about king of Naples, but the king of Naples and I both are same. I am the, indirectly he is meaning that he means that he is king of Naples. He does hear me, and that he does. I weep myself am Naples, who will mine eyes never since at Abe beheld the king my father's wrecked. So he says that the king of Naples used to be my father, and with my own eyes I have seen him. Means to be he was drowned, and I have seen it by my own eyes, and I can say I that in place of him, as I am the son of the king of Naples, so I am the king of Naples. Miranda says, lack for mercy, means I feel pity for your father's loss, and may mercy be on his soul. Ferdinand says, yes, faith, and all his lords, the Duke of Milan and his brave son being twain, and I have seen his companions also, among them the Duke of Milan and his handsome son was also there. So here we find that it is mentioned that brave son, Antonio was having a son, but nowhere in the play we will come to know about that son. So we can think that maybe Shakespeare had changed his mind afterwards, not to continue with this with the son, or not to elaborate about him, or maybe it was something he has forgot. So we will never find this about anything about this son, only here it is mentioned. Now Prospero is in assignments to his own self. He says, the Duke of Milan and his more braver daughter could control thee, if now it were fit to it. Now he says that the Duke of Milan, who actually the Duke of Milan is I myself, and my daughter is also alive. So it's means it's not should I express it right now, and then only he changes his mind and he says it's not the proper time. Delicate Ariel, I will set thee free for this. Now again to Ariel he says that you have done a good job, and I am going to release you very soon. A word, good sir, I fear you have done yourself some wrong. A word. I want now to Ferdinand, he says, I need to talk to you. I think you have done a mistake by addressing your own self as the king of Naples. So I need to talk to you right now. Now, Miranda says, "Why speaks my father so ungently? This is the third man that I ever saw, the fourth that I have ever signed for. Pity move my father to be inclined my way." Now Miranda says, "Why my father is speaking to this person in such a rude manner? In my full life, this is the third person whom I have ever met, and I wish that my father should not be uh, among us, and he should also treat this person the way I feel." Ferdinand says, "Oh, if a virgin and your affection not gone forth, I will make you the Queen of Naples. If you feel the same for me, I'm going to make you the Queen of my kingdom." Prospero says, "Soft, sir, one word more." Now he says, "Be a bit slow. Okay, I want to talk to you." And in aside, he says, means to his own self, he says, "They are both in either's power, but this sweet business I must uneasy make, lest too light winning make the prize light." Now he says that they are too fast in their planning, so I must put some obstacle on the way, because if people get anything too easily, they may not treat a treat it as the way it should have been treated. So in order to means he doesn't want, though all these things are taking place according to his own planning, still he wants means he wants them not to make understand that it was everything his own planning, as well as he wants to make it a bit slow, means incident should take place eventually, not in such a rapid way. Now he says, "One word more, I charge thee that thou attend me." Now I request you to come with me. "Thou dost here usurp the name thou owest not, and hast put thyself upon this island as a spy to win it from me, the Lord on it." Now I think intentionally he is saying that I think whatever you are addressing your own self, you are actually not that. You are not the King of Naples. Instead of that, you are a spy who has come on this island to snatch this island from me. Ferdinand says, "No, as I am a man, I am not such a coward person." Now Miranda says, "There is nothing ill can dwell in such a temple." Temple, he addresses Ferdinand's body. He says, "In such no good, evil thing can take place in such a person. If the ill spirit have so fair a house, good things will strive to dwell with it." So here means here we find Miranda to speak about the Platonic philosophy, where it is considered that means a good spirit and evil, the good and evil both the spirits or both the things, they can dwell together. So here she says that he is such a handsome person and nothing evil can take place within him. If he is considered as evil person, then good will willingly like to stay along with the evil nature. Now Prospero says, "Follow me, speak not you for him." You just follow me. To Ferdinand he says, "You follow me," and to Miranda he says, "Do not be a lawyer to him." Okay, do not speak for him. He is a traitor. He is a traitor means without any, means he doesn't have the authority or the power to take entry here. So he is a traitor. Come, he is a spy rather. "Come, I will manacle thy neck and feet together." I'm going to tie your feet and neck together. "Sea water shalt thou drink, and you will be drinking the salty water of the sea, that is harmful for human health. Thy food shall be the fresh brook mussels." Brook mussels means shellfish. "And where the roots and some dried roots, and husks wherein the acorn cradled." Acorn is a fruit of oak tree, and those husks you are going to eat. You just follow me. Ferdinand says, "No, I will resist such entertainment till mine enemy has more power. I'm not going to entertain you by following you. If you can prove me that you are more powerful than me, then only I can follow." Now he draws his sword, and with his magical power, Prospero prevents him to move. Now Miranda says, "Oh dear father, make not too rash a trial of him, for he is gentle and not fearful." Now Miranda says, "Father, do not apply your magical power on him. He is a gentleman." Now Prospero says, "What I say, my foot, my tutor." Means you are still dependent on me. What did you say? You are dependent on me, and you are going to teach me what I should do and what should I do and what I shouldn't. Now put thy sword up, traitor, who makest a show but darest not strike. Thy conscience is so possessed with guilt. Your conscience is so possessed with guilt that you can just show your sword, but you cannot use it, you cannot move it. Come from thy word, for I can here disarm thee with this stick and make thy weapon drop. So you just follow me. With this stick only I can prove that I am more powerful than you. Now Miranda says, "Beseech you, Father," means for the good sake, of our God's sake, leave him. The Prospero says, "Hence, hang not on my garments." Okay, do not pull my, means do not don't nag, do not means just insist me, or do not try to force me to stop my work, what I want to do right now. Miranda says, "Sir, have pity. I will be his surety. I can be the surety that he is not a harmful person." Prospero says, "Silence. One word more shall make me chide thee, if not hate thee." Okay, if you speak out more, I'm going to scold you, and later I'm going to hate you. So do not do so. What an advocate for an impostor! Hush. So he is a traitor, and you are justifying him. So you are trying to justify him. It's not done. "Thou thinkest there is no more such shapes as he, having seen but him and Caliban." Do you think you have seen for the first time someone like this? So do you think no one else is such handsome as you have seen only Caliban? Foolish wench, you are a foolish girl. To the most of men this is a Caliban, and they to him are angels. Means he is not that much attractive or handsome as you think. If you compare him with the other human being, he will be like Caliban, and to him others are like angels, as he seems to be an angel to you. So the way you witness him, he witnesses others to be like that, and the way you find Caliban, he is like that to others. Now Miranda sees, means he wants to make her think that he is as ordinary as Caliban. Now Miranda says, "My affections are then most humble. I have no ambition to see a goodlier man." So if it is so, I don't prefer to see anyone else. Now Prospero to Ferdinand says, "Come on, obey. Thy nerves are in their infancy again, and have no vigor in them. You must follow me right now, because your strength is like you were now. Your strength is like as you were in your childhood, and they are not capable to fight against me. So you must follow me. You must obey me." Now Ferdinand says, "So they are. Yes, it seems so. All my strength gone. My spirits as in a dream, and it as in dream we cannot. The way we are in our dreams, so my strength has become like that, are all bound up. My furthest loss, the weakness which I feel, the wreck of all my friends, not this man's traits to whom I am subdued, are but light to me. Might I but through my prison once a day behold this maid. Now all the grief, as I have lost my father, my companions, or the man who is going to overpower me. So everything proves meaningless to me. All these things do not matter at all to me. If I am present, I just want one favor, that from that prison once in a day, if I can see this girl, that is a better option for me. As I have lost my father, my companions, everything is not that much important anymore. All corners else of the earth let liberty make use of. Space enough have I in such a prison. If and in exchange, if the entire world they enjoy freedom, I do not want that freedom. Rather, I want that prison from where I can once in a day I can see this girl. Now Prospero in a side says it works, means again my plan is working, it's working smoothly. And to Ferdinand he says, come on, you just follow me. And to Ariel he says, thou hast done well, fine Ariel, follow me. Now he has told Ariel again that you have done the work very nicely. And to Ferdinand he says, follow me. Hark, what thou else shalt do me. And to Ariel again he says, you just keep on listening to me, what you are supposed to do next. And Miranda, to Ferdinand, Miranda says, be of comfort, you just relax. My father's of a better nature, sir, than he appears by speech. This is unwanted, which now came from him. Whatever my father says and whatever my father does, both these things do not match. So whatever you are observing him right now, he is not that type person. So you keep patience or you relax. Now Prospero to Ariel says, thou shalt be as free as mountain winds, but then exactly do all points of my command. If you follow my command exact the way I want, you will be as free as breeze on the mountains. To Ariel says, to the syllable, means to every, the means the, even to the smallest detail I will follow your commands. And Prospero says to Ferdinand, come follow, you just follow me, keep on following me. And to Miranda he says, speak not for him, do not speak a single word on behalf of him. And all of them they exit. So this is the end of Act 1 Scene 2. So next day we will definitely start Act 2 Scene 1. Now what I want you all is, as you, I believe that all of you have done so. So as you all have jotted down all the important things, as you have learned in Act 1 Scene 1, the same thing you must do here also. In Act 2, Act 1 Scene 2 also, you just jot down all the important things about those characters, whatever. Though you got a very, means though you one or two, means very little information you all have gathered so far, but please note it down. It will definitely be helpful, I think so. So this is this much for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.